Clockwise is very steep.
Very steep?
Yeah. I mean, ज़्यादा नहीं है लेकिन steep है. याद है हम last time भी गए थे वो भी steep.
सेफ्टी मूवमेंट सबसे बड़ी आज की है कि वो पहनने आपने क्रैम्प ऑन. प्लीज वेयर क्रैम्प्स ऑन इफ यू हैव क्रैम्प्स ऑन because it's very slippery today. If anybody has any heart problem or any medical condition, let me know and we'll keep together. I have bear spray.
Don't get away from the group.
Yeah, just stick with the group and it's really an easy hike, so we can just go together, enjoy.
Perfect.
Yeah, let's go. Woohoo. Yeah. Aaj. I think we should wear those cleats. ये जी सारों ने पहन रही है क्रैम्प्स ऑन. ये देखिए क्रैम्प्स ऑन चेक कराओ भाई. ये है क्योंकि ये है ना यार. तो अभी वापसी में पता क्या करेंगे, हम इसके ऊपर चलेंगे. क्रैम्प्स ऑन है सारों के बाद ना, और स्टिक लेंगे. आप नहीं जाएंगे? नहीं आप नहीं जाएंगे. Taslim is already feeling tired at the beginning of the trail. आराम से. वेरी नहीं so Ahmed bhai, we are changing his crampons. So the lesson we learn is it's not about expensive or cheap equipment, it's about the right equipment. Yeah.
In September. Alhamdulillah. This is my second winter hike.
Yeah.
Wow.
Beautiful.
ये लाइट है
तो ये वीक पॉइंट है.
सही बात.
You found me in the tall grass, bare feet in the morning dew. Said listen, it's the small things that carry all of you. You found me in the tall grass, bare feet in the morning dew. Said
Yeah, totally worth है इधर आना. Perfect sunny day.
Be out.
Beautiful view. Okay, we are done with our eating food and everything, and we have cleaned all the stuff. There is not a single piece of garbage. Everything has been garbage properly. So at Canada Multicultural Social Society, we leave no trash behind. We clean everything and leave the place as it was before.
Sometimes they say
members of Canada Multicultural and Social Society, the hiking group we belong to. We go and explore the mountains. We enjoy the nature. We spend a good time together. We enjoy each other's company. We transform ourselves. We hold back in time. We become teenager. We become kids. We do not care. We rock. We rock. We rock. We rock. Time for ourselves. We the members of Canada Multicultural and Social Society, the hiking group. We are not hikers. We are simply a bunch of teenagers. We're doing our time in the nature. We rock.
Yes.
Enjoy. We enjoy. We have the best time. We enjoy. We enjoy. We have the best time. Enjoy. We enjoy. We have the best time.
Yeah, it was my first hike this winter and one in a very long time. It was nice, easy, and I love it. I'm looking forward to the next one. Thank you for organizing this.
Thank you.
Yep.
Yeah, this was my second winter hike after my injury, the ankle injury in September. The first one did give me a little bit pain, so I was not comfortable. I'm hoping that, now I'm ready to go for big ones, inshallah. And everybody else who was sitting on the fence thinking that there is snow. There was no snow. It was all sunny. A beautiful day to spend in the woods here. Hopefully you guys will join sometime end of March. You will have the next hike.
Yeah.
It was great. I really liked the creek walk on the ice and floating on the ice. That was good, and really need to thank Mumbai for organizing this, and looking forward.
Yeah, as I said, this is a short and very scenic hike. It's good for hike to come with families. So I enjoyed with you guys, and
We are
a good
family.
day. Yeah. On Family Day special.
Yeah, yay! Okay, thank you everybody for coming. It was a easy hike, but very scenic hike. We had lots of fun. Those who did not came in missed all the fun. We had lots of fun, especially on the creek, the icy creek and everything. We become 12 years old kids, and that's the main purpose of coming here, become kids. Yeah.
And we were floating on the creek.
Yeah. Come join us next time.
This
Yeah,
side was
thank you.
good too.